Hi, it's Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga, and today I'm going to talk to you about Star Pose from yoga. So, Star Pose is a really great beginner pose for strengthening your legs, strengthening your arms, and strengthening your core. Place your hands on your hips to start, and we're going to step our feet wide apart. And we want to have the feet so that they're out just a little bit wider than the shoulders, okay? You want to have your heels in the same line. You want to have your toes pointed forward, okay? Really important on those toes. Now, take a moment here, and you might notice the tendency for the column of the body to want to drop toward the ground, okay? When that happens, your inner thighs are not working. So instead, what we're gonna do, we're gonna find those inner thigh muscles, and you wanna feel like you're sort of pulling them toward each other. And you'll notice as you do that, boom, you lift and you grow. So we're pressing down through the feet to push the ground away, sending energy from the inner thighs in toward each other that helps us lift. And when you get that lift, you'll feel your belly button start to draw in toward your body cavity and kind of hug toward your spine. Now, roll your shoulders onto your back and just let your arms extend. The last part of this pose, send energy out through your fingertips. So we're reaching through the arms, the feet are pressing the ground away, the inner thighs are drawing toward each other, and your belly button is hugging toward your spine. Now, hold here. Let's breathe in and out through the nose. In through the nose, and out. And if it starts to feel like your shoulders are getting tight and coming up, roll the shoulders onto the back, rotate the palms up, broaden your collarbones, reach through the fingers. And you might have a pop. Good, and to finish, let your arms come down, bend your knees, step your feet together. I hope that you've enjoyed this video on Star Pose. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And for more information on Star Pose and other yoga poses, please visit my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.